Welcome, students. Very good afternoon to everyone. Today's lecture is based on working capital. So, let's start with the meaning of working capital. What do you mean by working capital? Let's see. Working capital is the capital which is used to carry out the day to day business activity. So, this is the capital which is used by the business to carry out all the activities on a regular basis. जो कुछ भी जैसे कि फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल रिसीवेबल होता है, बिल्स रिसीवेबल होता है, बिल्स पेबल होता है एंड बहुत सारे ऐसे एक्टिविटीज़ जो रेगुलर बेसिस में होता है फॉर द प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग of the business, those capital are called as working capital. As you can see on the screen, the working capital, current assets, current liabilities, etc. So these all are the examples of working capital. The next point, after estimating fixed capital requirement of the business firm, it is necessary to estimate the amount of capital that would be needed to ensure smooth functioning of the business firm. So this is what I have already told you. For the running of the business organization, for the smooth organizing the business, functioning of the business, it is very much important to estimate the fixed capital requirement, which we have already done in the last lecture. And now it is very much important to estimate the amount of capital that would be needed for the working capital, which is used on a regular basis. So it is very important to note down or to calculate different kinds of a capital, that is working capital, on a regular basis. As you can see on the screen, all the members of the organization or a business is working together to fulfill the business activity on a regular basis, on day-to-day basis. If we will going to work on a regular basis and day-to-day basis, the things will be very clear and it will be smoothly functioning for our organization. All the work will be done within it. So there should be a proper smooth functioning of all the activities just because of the working capital. That is why we need to think upon the working capital first. It is very important to start our business on a regular basis. On the other hand, this will going to create a very good achievement of our goal, that is we can get our target achieved and we can also earn max to max profit on it. The third point is a business firm requires funds to store adequate raw materials in the stock. Yes, students, it is very much important for a business firm to require the funds to store adequate raw material in stock well in advance for the functioning of the business. बिजनेस को चलाने के लिए हम लोगों को स्टॉक की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है, which we should keep aside, which is called as a warehouse. On the other hand, a firm would need capital to maintain sufficient stock of finished goods. So capital is very much important for a firm to maintain sufficient stock of the finished goods as well. The fifth point is, in actual practice, goods are sold out in cash or credit. Goods sold on credit do not fetch cash immediately. So it is advised for each and every organization, for each and every business and businessman to do the practice of the goods on the selling out of in the cash or in the credit, that doesn't matter, but the goods which is sold on a credit do not get the fetch, because अगर हम लोग क्रेडिट में किसी को भी अगर बेचते हैं तो उसमें हम लोग को प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. The amount which is not recoverable in future, which is called bad debts, वो उसके चांसेस ज़्यादा होते हैं. आइए चलते 6 पॉइंट देखते हैं. Firm will have to arrange for funds till the amount is collected from the debtors. Debtors are called as a customer of the business. So organization या business या firms को arrange करना पड़ता है funds जब तक debtors amount नहीं देते हैं या उनसे collect नहीं किया जाता. कैश इज़ ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड टू पे द ओवरहेड्स. ओवरहेड्स का मतलब है एक्सपेंसेस. हम लोग को कैश की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है. कुछ भी अनसर्टेनिटी होने से पहले उसकी भी बहुत ज़रूरत होती है कैश को, ताकि वो कवर अप कर सके। आगे देखते हैं, फॉर बिल्डिंग अप इन्वेंटरीज, फॉर फिनेंसिंग रिसीवेबल, जो कि आप देख सकते हो स्क्रीन में जो पिक्चर्स मैंने आपको दिखाए हैं, फॉर कवरिंग डे टू डे ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस, छोटे मोटे कुछ भी एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं उसको हम लोग ऑपरेट करते हैं। द कैपिटल इज़ इन्वेस्टेड इन दिस असेट्स इज़ रेफर्ड टू एज वर्किंग कैपिटल। बस यही सारी चीज़ों को बोला जाता है वर्किंग कैपिटल। द कंसेप्ट ऑफ द वर्किंग कैपिटल इज़ व्यूड डिफरेंटली बाय लीडिंग ऑथोरिटीज़। वर्किंग कैपिटल अलग अलग तौर से दिखाया जाता है। Some authorities consider working capital as equivalent to excess of current assets over current liabilities। और कोई अथॉरिटी ऐसे देखते हैं, कुछ अथॉरिटीज़ ऐसे देखते हैं कि करंट असेट्स माइनस करंट लाइबिलिटीज़ के ऊपर वर्किंग कैपिटल होता है, और ये भी है। सो देयर इज़ अ नीड ऑफ वर्किंग कैपिटल ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस। Thanks for watching. Please watch my next part of the video, the continuation part of this particular video. Thank you everyone.